Hey, this is the Mike Fair Experience. This is my continued series where faith meets creativity and purpose powers the work. Listen, the more that I depend on the world, I realize the less light I receive from heaven. That truth keeps me grounded because when you depend on God's direction, your creativity, at least I know that my creativity starts to shine in a different way. And remember, if you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Let me say that again. If you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Mindsets creates motion. Faith fuels focus. In this season, I'm walking in restoration, living by 5 principles: faith, discipline, service, gratitude, and vision. That's how I rebuild, focus, and realign. Listen, I'm open to network or collaborate with institutions, companies, or organizations that needs creative graphics, design, digital storytelling, and someone who understands that design is more than visuals. It's a calling. Well, folks, this is Mike Fair, and this is the Mike Fair Experience. Design with focus. Life with live. Life is precious, but live with vision. Have a great day. Until next time, 2 fingers.